Okay, so welcome back. Before we discuss what is pointer in C++, so we set also an example. We give also an example in our last video. So today we will also create a simple program for our pointer. Okay, sample. So we have to declare variables. Okay, int var1 is equal to 3. Int var2 is equal to 5. Int var3 is equal to 8. Okay, so if you want to print address of var1, then we have to type cout address of var1 then we have here ampersand var1. Okay, so if we want to set or print the address of var2, so we have to change this. var2. Okay, next if we want to change or display also the address of var3, we set this one as var3. Okay, so let's try the output. So to display the output, F11 or compile and run. So we can see that the address in our computer of var1 is this one, so 0x6FFE1C and the others. Okay, then we have another example. Okay, so if we declare variable var is equal to 5, so we will declare also a pointer, which is the ptr var. Okay, so meaning, so we declare variable here. Declare a var, then next, or declare a variable, next we declare a pointer variable. Okay, then next ptr var is equal to ampersand var. So meaning we will store the address of var. Okay, next, then we have cout. If you want to display the value of var is equal now to var endl. Okay, so we have here display value var. Then next, cout. So we have address of var, or what we call our reference is equal to ampersand var, then endl. Okay, another endl for another line. Okay, next, if you want to display address of var. Okay, next we have cout. We have the ptr var is equal to, so we have here the ptr var endl. So means that we will display pointer ptr var. Okay, then cout. Content of the address pointed to by ptr var is equal to asterisk ptr var. And then okay, so let's try. So we will expect the value of var here. Here we will expect the address of our variable var. Then next we will expect the pointer of var. Then we will expect the address pointed by the ptr. Okay, so let's try. Save, then compile and run. ptr was not declared. PRT. Okay. ptr. Okay, so this is the output. So var is equal to 5, so the address of var is 0x6FFE04. so meaning it is pointed, the pointer variable is pointed to the address of the bar. So the content address pointed by the pointer is equal to 5. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching the video.